So, here's a question: how to send fake live location on WhatsApp deserves your interest. Okay, this video is dedicated to exploring 4 quick methods to get the job done effortlessly. Part 1. How to share fake live location on WhatsApp via fake GPS location. Android, enable location services, install fake GPS location app, activate developer options. Tap build number 7 times. Enable allow mock locations, select fake GPS location app, set desired fake location in the app. Part 2. How to send fake current location on WhatsApp with Location Faker. iPhone, go to App Store, search Location Faker, download Change My Location free version, open app, select location, expect frequent ads, use search bar for specific address, no jailbreak needed. Part 3. How to send wrong live location on WhatsApp by pinning a location. Android, iPhone, open WhatsApp, access chat. iOS, tap plus icon on the left. Android, click paperclip icon, choose location, share current location or select different place. For real-time movement, use share live location. Part 5. How to send fake live location on WhatsApp without being detected. Android, iPhone, if you're seeking an almost undetectable GPS spoofer, give virtual location tool a try. This robust utility can fulfill your expectations. How to send fake current location on WhatsApp after spoofing the device's GPS via the virtual location tool. Step 1. Run the program and link your phone to a computer. Step 2. Choose your desired location. Step 3. Fake live location on WhatsApp.